Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is actually my very first vlog, and I'm pretty excited about my very first vlog because I'm showing you my favorite part of my garage. I've been trying to start this for what feels like forever, and it's been months and months, and I've just been too nervous and too shy to do it. I gave myself an ultimatum, and I said the other day that as soon as my car gets on the road and it's running, I'm just gonna suck it up and start the vlog and start doing it more on the regular. So bear with me as we fumble through the first little bit. I promise they will get better. We will have lots of great content and stuff happening this summer. So make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on what's going on. So with that being said, I wanted to take my first vlog and introduce you and do a little bit of a walk around of my weekend warrior, my 1993. Try and get back here. Toyota Supra. I love this car. I've owned it for about 8 years, imported it from Japan, so it is, I'm not sure if you can tell through the windshield, right-hand drive. It's NA for now, automatic transmission for now. The money shot. How do we not love that? So I just put, this year for the first time, I just got a set of new wheels, which I'm super excited about. I got a set of RPF ones. They are 18 by 10 plus 38, so they've got a little bit of a dish on it, and they have a pretty nice offset. I really like the fitment. Not the most ideal yet. I want the back tires to come out a bit more, but I'll be honest, it's way better than the 225s and the stock wheels that I had on for the last 8 years. So I will take this, and I am happy with that. So like I said, the motor, I'm not sure if I can get over to that side. She's NA for now. Try and pop the hood. Actually, I'll show you a little bit inside while I'm here. Also, vlogging about my Supra in my Supra shirt. Amazing. This is the tight squeeze here. So here she is in all her glory. Interior. Pretty stock. Actually, entirely stock. Not sure if you can see it. There's my other 2J GTE VVTI. It's upside down right now. That is going to get swapped in to here. So 2JZ GE motor for right now. Here she is. Pretty basic. Nothing really done to it other than Megan coilovers and my wheels. Whoops. There we go. Ow. And there's my daily driver, my STI. Love this car as well, for whole different reasons than why I love this car. So I bought it, like I said, I probably picked up the Supra about eight years ago. Imported from Japan, obviously it's right-hand drive. I bought it with about 73,000 kilometers. It was in absolutely like mint condition. I have, of course, never winter driven it. She's been stored every winter since I got it. And it's probably been about 1.5 years since I've actually been behind the wheel and driving it. So to be behind the wheel yesterday, to drive it, just to sit in it and hear it turn on and everything about it, I was so happy. I can't even put it into words. So now I'm getting ready for the rally that I'm doing this weekend. I wish I had the swap done, but obviously there's a lot of work that goes into doing that. I'm swapping the motor and the transmission, so if I can do it all at once, that would be the most ideal. So I'm gonna run this rally that I'm doing on Saturday. Just regular stock, NA, automatic, nothing's gonna change. When I'm done, everything's coming out. So definitely gonna make sure that I vlog that and kind of more for myself and also for you guys, but just kind of like put into memory what's happening with this car and video it all the way, because I mean, it's pretty friggin' cool. It's a build that I've been thinking about, so now I get to do it. So one final shot. Like I said, my daily. One day we'll look over that as well. So for now, there she is. Oh, whoa, it's really dark. There she is. So I'm going to, like I said, post up this vlog. Hopefully you guys like it. Not really sure what else I can show you on the car. It's not a whole lot at the moment. I do have a vinyl wrap. Obviously it doesn't come stock this color. Vinyl wrapped, and I've had this gray satin wrap on for probably about 4 years. So maybe not 4, maybe 3 years. Either way, I'm gonna probably run it for 1 more year, and then next summer I'll rewrap it so it's a different color. Not sure what color I'm gonna go yet. I really do like the satin kind of matte finish. So I'm gonna maybe try and keep it with that. For all I know, I might just stick with the same gray because I really like that stealthy kind of look. So we'll see. Anyways, lots more things to worry about before I rewrap this car. I gotta get my go fast parts going first, and then I'll worry more about the aesthetics. For now, I'm happy with the way that she looks. Now I just want to make her go a whole lot faster. Anyways, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for sticking it through, Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, listening to me talk about my car. There's a whole lot more stuff coming, so please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I do post quite a lot of my cars and stuff on Instagram as well, so if you're not following me, make sure that you do. My Instagram is at Kate_Boost. And I think with that being said, I hope that you all enjoy your day. I will talk to you again soon with another car update of some sort. Anyways, have a great day, guys. See you later.